Hi there, welcome back to another video on what I eat in a day. On this specific day, like usual, I did not want to cook anything for the breakfast, instead wanted to have something that is fruit based. Also, I tend to combine different fruits during the different days in the week so that I don't get bored eating fruits for the breakfast. So for this day's breakfast, I had bananas and strawberries combined as a smoothie bowl. And for the lunch, I made a curry from plantain and chickpeas. This is something that I haven't made before, and making it for the first time, I was really impressed with the taste. This is definitely a curry that I will want to try again. And to make it more balanced meal, I made carrot mushroom side dish and had it together with rice. And for dinner, I had leftover plantain curry, so I made dosa and fresh broccoli chutney. So without further delay, let's get into the video and I shall show you how I made each of these dishes. So for the smoothie bowl, in a blender I added a banana and a handful of strawberries and a cup of oats that I soaked it in plant-based milk together with 3 dates and 2 spoons of homemade protein powder. I blended everything well together and transferred it into a bowl. I also topped the smoothie bowl with some pineapples, oranges and black raisins. And for the lunch, I first started by cooking the rice, and together with the rice I steam cooked the chopped carrots. In parallel, I had another pan with little water, about a glass, getting heated. When the glass of water was heated enough, I added 1 medium-sized plantain chopped. When the plantain was cooking, in a mixer I added about 2/3 cup of coconut flakes, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin and half teaspoon of fennel seeds, few black pepper and about half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 red chilies, and with little water added, I grinded it into a fine paste. When my plantain was cooked through, I added in the grinded paste with few dried curry leaves, little turmeric and salt. In the end, I also added the pre-cooked chickpeas and some more water. Gave it a good mix and I let it cook on a low to medium heat. During which, in another pan of oil, where I crackled the mustard seeds and added in the half-cooked carrots and some more frozen mushrooms, some green chilies and salt, and gave it a good mix and let the mushroom and carrot cook together on a low to medium heat. Once it was cooked through, I added about a teaspoon of coconut flakes and removed it from the heat. Now for the plantain curry, when everything was cooked through, I transferred it to the serving bowl and I seasoned it with hot oil, in which I crackled up some mustard seeds and curry leaves. And in the serving bowl, I had white rice together with the plantain chickpea curry and the mushroom carrot side dish. So for the dinner, I made broccoli chutney together with the leftover plantain curry and some dosa. For the broccoli chutney, in a pan of oil, I added a little of cumin seeds, few garlic cloves and few red chilies, about 2 medium sized, and a little tamarind. I added in some more onions and sauteed it few minutes. Followed by it, I added the broccoli and I let everything cook through. I also thought adding in few peanuts would make it a little more tastier, so I went ahead and I added the few roasted peanuts. When the broccoli and the onions were cooked through, I transferred it to the mixer jar and I waited it to cool off. I added few coconut flakes and with little water added, I grinded it in. When the chutney was ready, I made some dosas and I had it together with the plantain curry and the broccoli chutney. So this brings me to the end of the day. I hope you have enjoyed watching what I had for my day. If you have enjoyed watching this video and if you would like to see more of this video, then do Like this video and comment and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it will mean a lot to me. And see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.